Good morning, children. Today I will be doing the summary of the chapter Changing Times for the benefit of the students who could not attend the Zoom classroom. So, a person named Chetan Das, he was living in Dera Ghazi Khan, which is now in Pakistan. So, what do you mean by now in Pakistan? That is, before India got independence, it was like this. It was completely united India. Okay, it was complete India. But after India got independence, Pakistan got separated from India. Okay, so we got independence on 15th August 1947 after a lot of struggle by our freedom fighters. So Chetan Das, he moved from Dera Ghazi Khan to New Delhi with his family. So how old was he when he moved from Pakistan? He was 9 years old. He had lot of friends in Dera Ghazi Khan. So one day his father told that we have to move from this place. We have to pack up everything and move from this place to India because they have given freedom that whoever wants to move from Pakistan to India, the people who are staying in this place, they can move to India, and the people who want to go to Pakistan also can go. So many people moved from Pakistan to India and India to Pakistan. So and this Chetan Das family, they came to Delhi and they didn't have a place to live, so there was a refugee camp. So they stayed in those refugee camps, right? So not only Chetan Das family, like that, many families came to India from Pakistan. So this is the refugee camp. So there's a huge ground and tents are put in that ground. So Chetan Das family was staying in that tent in the refugee camp. Later on, after some days, his father told that they have got a land in Sona village in Haryana. So it's a nearby place, nearby state to Delhi. So they got a land in Sona village in Haryana. You can locate Haryana map, Haryana state in India map. So, and in Haryana, they didn't have anything to construct a house. So what they did, with whatever materials they had around them, mud, cow dung, straw, and some wood, they built a house for themselves. Okay, and what is the need of the house? To protect from the weather conditions. To protect ourselves, we build a house. So they also built a mud house, and all the family members, they helped in building the mud house. Next, time passed quickly, and Chetan Das also finished his studies and he got a job, and his parents wanted him to get married. And before he got married, they thought that they should repair the house and build one more room. At that time, they were using cement. People in cities, they were using cement. So cement house is much stronger than the wood house, the mud house. So they used iron and cement for making the roof of the room, and the unbaked bricks were used for making the walls, and they whitewashed the walls, and they also built a kitchen and the kitchen had a mud chula, as you can see in the picture, and some place to keep the vessels. So at last they got Chetan Das married, and his wife Suman came to the house, and his wife, Chetan Das' wife, used to sit on the floor in the kitchen, and they all used to eat together. And they built a small toilet also with unbaked bricks behind the house. Now, Chetanda's son, Chetandas had two sons and a daughter, and even the children children completed their studies, and his daughter got married and moved to Palwal, and Raju also got married. And before Raju got married, they thought again the house should be ready for the new bride, that is a new person. So now they used baked bricks, and they also used marble chips and cement for a strong and fancy floor. And in the toilet they put pipes to take out the waste. The kitchen was also made bigger, and his daughter-in-law, that is Chetanda's daughter-in-law, she did not use the chulha, but she used to cook on the gas stove. Now, his younger son, Montu, he moved to Delhi and he got a job there. And so Chetan Das, he used to stay with Montu for some time, Raju for some time, and in between he used to visit even his daughter, who used to stay in Gurgaon. So in Montu's place in Delhi, he saw many high-rise buildings, and he also noticed that Raju renovated his house, and he spent lot of money for the bathroom by using colored tiles. And he thinks, because he has seen so many changes, okay, he has come, he stayed in a tent, a mud house, he has seen so many changes. He thinks, why spending so much money on a place where you have to just bath, okay. So, and he thinks how his grandchildren, when his children are living like this, he thinks how his grandchildren are going to live, and what is the type of houses they are going to construct. And he even thinks how are the houses in Dera Ghazi Khan, and where all his friends are living and how are they living. So this is basically a lesson about different types of houses. Tent, mud house, how is a mud house made, then how is a cement house made, and even a house made with unbaked bricks, then baked bricks and iron, then cement and iron is used. So it's all about the types of houses, different types of houses. So thank you so much. Have a great day.